Welcome to AI and Crypto with Steve. In today's video, I will show you how easy it is to add the MetaMask wallet to your Google Chrome browser. MetaMask is more than just the leading self-custodial wallet. It's your gateway to a seamless blockchain experience, enabling you to manage your digital assets and interact with decentralized apps. It's a favorite among millions across the globe, and guess what? It's not just for Chrome. You can find it on Firefox, Brave, Edge, and even on your mobile devices. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome. Type metamask.io in the address bar and press enter. Ensure the address is correct to avoid phishing sites. Click on Download. Select Install MetaMask for Chrome. In the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome. Then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once installed, the MetaMask onboarding page opens. Agree to the terms of use. Choose Create a new wallet. Decide if you want to share anonymous data and click on I agree. Make a strong password. Write it down and keep it secure. Confirm that you understand that MetaMask cannot recover you if you lose it. Click on Create a new wallet. Click on Secure my wallet, recommended. Reveal and write down your secret recovery phrase of 12 words. Store it safely offline. Click Next. Verify your phrase by filling in the blanks. And confirm. By clicking on Got it, you confirm the importance of your recovery phrase. Click Next. And then Done. Pin MetaMask to your browser's toolbar by clicking the puzzle icon and then the pin next to MetaMask. Access your wallet anytime by clicking the MetaMask icon in the toolbar. You are now ready to use MetaMask and explore the decentralized finance and apps ecosystem. Enjoy your journey into crypto. If you found this tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe for more content from Steve on AI and crypto. Until next time, farewell and happy trading.